Hello everyone, take the front portion of the hair, cut it at the eye level, and then in the other side cut it at the eyebrow level. Now take both of these ends, pull a comb through, put the comb diagonally, and then cut it using a pair of scissors straight through. The rest of the hair cut it at around the chin level. Now take the rest of the hair, place the comb diagonally, and then make a diagonal cut from the side of the hair moving upwards. Now after you have made the diagonal cut, pull the comb through and you may begin to make vertical cuts. Do this starting from the center and then move outwards. Next, take the front portion of the hair, pull a comb through it, make a diagonal tilt in the comb, and then use the scissors to cut it, starting from the nose level to the chin level. After you are done with this, pull the comb through once again and then make vertical cuts in the hair. Using a hair straightener, puff out the hair slightly and then tilt it to one side and make it frame the face. Now take two sections of the hair from the front, put two combs one on top of the other as such together, and then twist the hair about 4 times. Now bring the hair to about the level of the nose and cut it right there. This is the look you should be left with. Now make vertical cuts in the hair, use a hair straightener to straighten it to the side and set it along the face. Take the hair in the front, pull a comb through it, take 2 combs and then put one on top of the other as such. Now once you have done this, twist the hair, twist it one more time, and then after this take the scissors and then begin to slowly cut it at around the eye level. Now this is the hairstyle you should be left with. Make a vertical cut through the hair and then do this on the sides as well. Make the hair frame the face accordingly. Now take the front of the hair from the center and then use a hair straightener to puff the hair out slightly. This will add more volume to the hair and make it frame the face well. Thank you for watching.